Hello, little yogis! I'm Elsa, and I'm so happy to practice yoga with you today. Let's stretch, move, breathe, and have fun together. Today's yoga adventure will help us feel strong, happy, and relaxed. Find a comfortable spot on your mat. Take a big breath in through your nose, and breathe out slowly. Are you ready? Let's begin our yoga adventure. Let's do frog pose. Hop your knees wide and stretch. Take a big breath in and out. Awesome job. Let's grow into a tall, strong tree. Lift one foot and find your balance. Don't fall. Can you stay super still? Amazing! You're a fantastic tree. Cobra pose. Let's become a big, brave cobra. Lift your chest and look up high. Super job! Butterfly pose. Let's flap our butterfly wings. Bring your feet together and flap, flap, flap. Fly high, little butterfly. Time to become a strong warrior. Stretch your arms wide and stand tall. Wow, you're super strong. Let's fold like a tiny sleepy snail. Reach forward, nice and slow. Ooh, what a great stretch. Uh-oh, where's your invisible chair? Bend your knees and sit down low. Hold it, you've got this. Can you be as strong as a superhero? Hold your body nice and still. Super strong! Can you be as strong as a superhero? Hold your body nice and still. Super strong! Let's sit nice and cozy. Cross your legs and take a big, happy breath. Ah, feels good. Let's get on all fours like a playful puppy. Keep your back nice and flat. Woof! You're doing great. Let's make a big, strong triangle. Stretch up high and reach way over. Amazing stretch. Let's make butterfly legs. Bring your feet together and sit up tall. Beautiful! Flap those wings. Let's balance like a super strong hero. Lift up and hold steady. Wow, super strong. Stand tall like a giant mountain. Reach up high and stay nice and strong. You're rock solid. Let's be a happy cow. Lift your chest and look up. Moveless job. Reach up high and bend to the side. Can you make a big rainbow shape? Amazing stretch! to be as strong as a superhero? Hold your body nice and still. Super strong! Let's fold down and say hello to our toes. Reach down as far as you can. Great stretching! Let's become a playful puppy. Lift your hips up high and stretch. Woof! Awesome job! Bend down and say hello to your toes. Reach as low as you can. Great job! Let's balance like a mighty eagle. Wrap, twist, and hold steady. You've got this. Let's be a happy little fish. Lift your chest and look up. Swim-tastic! Let's balance like a flying puppy. Reach one arm and one leg out. Whoa, great balance! Make yourself big like a shining star. Stretch your arms and legs wide. You're a superstar! Roar! Let's become a mighty dragon. Stretch long and strong. Roar some job. Let's sit like a peaceful little pigeon. Stretch gently and take a deep breath. So calm and peaceful. That's it for today, friends. You all did an amazing job. Subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting yoga poses. And if you enjoyed today's pose, don't forget to give this video a like. See you next time. Bye!